Geometric progression. Question number 1. The difference between two numbers is 48 and difference between their AM and GM is 18. Find the greater of two numbers. So let's numbers are A and B. Then as per question, A minus B equal to 48. Now second condition is difference between their AM and GM, that is A plus B by 2 minus root AB is 18. So A plus B minus twice of root AB will be 36, or we can write it as root A whole square plus root B whole square minus twice of root A times root B equal to 6 square. This can be written as root A minus root B whole square equals 6 square, from where we get root A minus root B equal to 6. Now we have A minus B equal to 48 and root A minus root B equal to 6. So we write this expression here. So A plus B minus 2 root AB equal to 36. Now if we add these two terms, so we will get 2A minus twice of root AB equal to 84, or A minus root AB equal to 42. We can take common root A from here, then root A minus root B equals 42. But we have root A minus root B equal to 6. So root A times 6 equal to 42, from where we get root A equal to 7, which implies A equal to 49. So our answer is 49. Now let's consider next question. If 10 power 9 plus 2 into 10 power 8 into 11 plus 2 into 10 power 7 into 11 square plus dot dot plus 10 into 11 power 9 equal to k times 10 power 9, then we have to determine what is k. So let's consider solution. We write s equal to 10 power 9 plus 2 into 10 power 8 into 11 plus 2 into 10 to the power 7 into 11 square plus dot 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 plus 10 into 10 to the power, sorry, 10 into 11 to the power 9. Now if we multiply each term by 11 by 10, so 11 by 10 s equals 11 into 10 to the power 8 plus 2 into 10 to the power 7 into 11 square plus dot 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 plus 9 into 11 power 9 plus 11 power 10. Now we subtract the two. So we get S1 minus 11 by 10 equals 10 power 9 plus 11 into 10 to the power 8 from here 2 into 11 into 10 power 8. This is 11 to 10 power 8. Similarly, we will subtract, and next term will be 11 power 2 into 10 to the power 7 dot 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 dot. Last term will be 11 power 9 minus 11 power 10. Now we write it minus s upon 10 equals 10 power 9 common. So here r will be 11 by 10. So 1 minus r power n, that is 11 by 10 power, there will be 10 terms. So 10 divided by 1 minus r, that is 1 minus 11 by 10 minus last term 11 power 10. Now from here this will give 10 minus 11, that is minus 1 by 10. So this will increase this power. So we will get minus 10 power 10 times 1 minus 11 by 10 power 10 minus 11 power 10. So we further simplify. So we will get s equal to, here there is minus 1 by 10. So we multiply each term by minus 10. So we get s equals 10 power 11 times, from here we take LCM. So this will become 10 power 10 minus 11 power 10 divided by 10 power 10 minus 11 power 10. If we open the bracket, so we get s equal to, from here 1 power will cancel out, so 10 will be left here, 10 power 10, this is 10 power 11, so 10 will be left. So we write it as 10 into 10 power 10 minus 10 times 11 power 10 plus 10 times 11 power 10. Now from here these two terms will cancel out, and we will get s equal to 100 multiplied by 10 power 9. Here we are given sum as k into 10 power 9, k into 10 power 9. So k will be 100. That is our answer. Now let's consider next question. If sum of first 9 terms of a series 1 cube divided by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube divided by 1 plus 3 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot is x, then what is x? So here Tn equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus dot 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 plus n cube divided by 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus last term 2n minus 1. Now we apply the formula. Sum of cubes of natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square and sum of odd numbers is given by n square. So we will be left with n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So we have got Tn. Now for first 9 terms, so suppose we write it as S9 equals, so 1 by 4 can be taken common, and we start putting values like n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 plus 10 square. Here 1 square is missing, so we can add and subtract. So it will become 1 by 4 times 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 plus 10 square minus 1 square. Then we can further write 1 by 4 and then 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 plus 10 square minus 1 by 4. Now we apply the formula for sum of squares of natural number. So that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So we write it here. So S9 will be 1 by 4. N is 10. 10 into n plus 1, that is 11, into 2n plus 1, that is 21, divided by 6 minus 1 by 4. So it will become, we can cancel 3 2s are 3 7s are, and then 2 5s. So it will give 1 by 4 times 77 5s 384 385, and from here minus 1. Here 1 by 4 is taken common, so it is 1 by 4 times 384. Now if we divide, we get 96, which is our answer. Thank you for watching.